Basic structure of doctrine. The basic structure of doctrine is an Indian judicial principle of the Constitution of India has certain basic features that cannot be altered or destroyed through amendments by the Parliament. The basic structure of doctrine applies only to constitutional amendments, not to ordinary acts of the Parliament, which must itself be the conformatory with the Constitution. The basic feature of the Constitution have not been explicitly defined by the judiciary. At least 20 features have been described as basic or essential by the courts in numerous cases. Some of the features of the Constitution termed as basic are as follows. So now we are going to see what are the features of the Constitution termed as basic that it cannot be changed by the amendments of the Parliament. 1. Supremacy of the Constitution. Second one is rule of law. Third one is the principle of separation of powers. Fourth, the objectives are specified in the preamble to the Constitution. Fifth one, judicial review. The next one, the Articles 32 and 226. Seventh one, federalism. Eighth one, secularism. Ninth one, the sovereign democratic republican structure. 10th one, freedom and dignity of the individual. And 11th one, unity and integrity of the nation. 12th one, the principle of equality, not every features of equality but the quintessence of equal justice. 13th one, the essence of other fundamental rights in part 3. 14th one, the concept of social economic justice to build a welfare state. 15th one, the balance between fundamental rights and the directive principles of state policy. 17th one, the parliamentary system of government. Next one, the principle of free and fair elections. 18th one, limitations upon the amending power are conferred by Article 368. 19th one, independence of judiciary. 20th one, effective access to justice. The last one, powers of the Supreme Court under Articles 32, 136, 141 and 142. So I am repeating again. Supremacy of the Constitution, rule of law, the principle of separation of powers, the objectives specified in preamble to the Constitution, judicial review, Articles 32 and 226, federalism and secularism, the sovereign democratic republican structure, freedom and dignity of individual, unity and integrity of the nation, the principle of equality, not every feature of equality but the quintessence of equal justice, the essence of other fundamental rights in part 3, the concept of social economic justice to build a welfare state, the balance between fundamental rights and directive principles of state, the parliamentary system of government, the principle of free and fair elections, limitation upon the amending power conferred by Article 368, independence of the judiciary, effective access to justice, powers of the Supreme Court under Articles 32, 136, 141 and 142 are the basic structure of the doctrines, applies only to the constitutional amendments and not to ordinary acts of Parliament. Thank you.